here's one thing that we're not doing in 2025. The one thing that we're not saying, I should say, in 2025 is I can't afford it. You can afford it. You afford what you want to afford. You can afford your new shoes, right? You can afford getting your hair done, getting your nails done, taking that vacation, right? So you can afford to invest in yourself. You can afford to invest in your business. You can afford it. There's nothing greater. There's no amount of money that can honestly describe the value of a mentor and of guidance. So if you are feeling like you're doing all the things but you're not getting anywhere, you probably need to get some help, right? You probably need a mentor or a coach, somebody that has been there, done it, got the t-shirt to assist you, and that is okay. Like, give yourself permission, right? Give yourself permission. I wouldn't be where I am today without great mentorship. So give yourself permission and invest in yourself to do that. The number one thing that I would recommend, that if you're starting a cleaning business owner, this is not even about systems, y'all, but get a mentor, get a coach, join a community, get somewhere where you can be plugged in your business, and I promise you it will be a game changer for the momentum that you create and also for the motivation that you will have in your business.